You are listening to Proof Text, a GlossaHouse podcast exploring scripture with Dr. T. Michael W. Halcomb and Dr. Frederick J. Long. Welcome and enjoy.
Hello, welcome to Proof Text. I am Michael Halcomb, and in this episode of the podcast, we're going to be doing a Greek reading of Mark 4:30 through 34. All right, so let's have a look. Here we go. If you have your Greek testaments, you can get those out and read along with me. Or if you're just listening or just want to watch, you can do that too. So here we go. Ke eleien pos omniosmen ten vasilian tu Theou, e entini avtein paravole thomen. Os koko sinapeos os otan sparre epites ges, mikroteron on pandonton spermatonton epites ges, ke otan sparre anveni ke ginete, mison pandonton lachanon ke pui cladus megalus, oste diunaste Iupoten skian avtu, ta petina tu uranu kataskenun. All right, hope that helps.
Interested in growing your ancient language skills but not sure where to start? GlossaHouse can help. From illustrated readers and short stories to lexicons and grammars, GlossaHouse offers a variety of resources for beginning, intermediate, and experienced ancient language learners. Head to glossahouse.com today. GlossaHouse, language resources for the global community.